206, then it goes up to 205, and sometimes it goes above 205.
So
but it's
things
been
do
constant.
because they've had an offering. So
Oh, okay. Then it goes up to 205. Sometimes it goes above 205. But it's been
I didn't do any yesterday. I just thought I wanted to get some time out.
okay.
Okay. I do all the work anyway. You guys don't join me. When I'm asking, nobody says anything. So I thought, if you go with it, so I decided to be quiet. Sorry, just need to sneeze. But okay, I just want to share the link.
Okay.
For whoever wants to join us. Some people just join me because not because they want to join me, because they want to just hear me talk. I don't know why. It's quite fun, isn't it?
They like your voice.
I don't know what they like. I can't even sing. When you go over land, sweet Jesus. Sorry, give me a second. I'm just trying to find the link.
Okay. I think Jess already shared it on the group because I just saw a notification from her. Hi, Jess.
We have the two whales.
Which whale?
Hi, Lola.
How are you doing? So you're the one that's always buying. And then once you buy, the market goes down.
It's you, Lola.
She buys up the liquidity.
Oh my God, my alerts have been going off today like something else, honestly.
Yeah, same here.
Wow.
Okay. Some guys are making a mistake when it comes to when we're talking about day trades. You guys are talking about your alerts going off. Sorry, something just executed. When I make a call, that call is only valid for the same day. Okay.
No, we don't. I mean, I usually set price alarm.
I'm talking about somebody
just
else.
to
It's not here yet.
See, yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
It's not here yet. So, AMC. Let's have a look at AMC. Where's my system slow? Okay. AMC, wonderful. Right, let me share my screen accordingly. Where are we? So AMC, can you believe we came out of this at 32? There's FLGC. This is very, very bearish. Can't see any diversion, nothing, it's just dead. Wing, oopsie, dead. VRPX, that was the early day market runner, dead. My Coinbase still there. Somebody talked about buying CLSK. CleanSpark at 9. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. This is just, wow. This was cheap at 23, but they got the earnings when? Today. And it's 20% down today. Unbelievable. Oh, sorry, I wasn't sharing CleanSpark. CleanSpark have the earnings today. Lola, give me my loot, right? Share it.
I don't have a loot, so I actually have a bag in CleanSpark, a very big bag.
No, I said share me my upstart.
Oh, okay. All
Right,
right.
right, let's get started, guys. I think I've only got 2 people, which is fine. Honestly, you guys, we should be trading crypto. Yeah. Remember, a trade is a trade, and in stocks, we have to look very hard. So sorry, I'm just looking at the market and I'm hunting for what to buy. Okay, we have Monday.com that's popped. SESN, Verify Me, which is one of the ones I really like. We're not just here to buy the market, we're here to trade and make some money for ourselves. I'm looking at, let me just stick to AMC. AMC's done 6% today. Guys, AMC. So, do we still have opportunity? Okay. AMC is still bullish, guys. But the thing is, do we still have a runner? And I'm not seeing it yet. So I'm going to say wait. As usual, wait. Otherwise, if you're getting right now, you will be feeding someone else's profit. So wait. Yeah, 100% wait. Okay, the next one we'll be looking at, well, it's hard to find something. Yeah, like I said, AMC, don't feed someone else's profit. Wing. Earlier on today, I was looking up NAOV, but NAOV actually dumps as well. Oh, we've got 7 people now. Hey, Issa, we need to have a session at some points. NAOV, that was a good 16% run. Does this still have life? No, it doesn't look like it's got life. Guys, what am I trying to say? Growth stocks will come back, but not yet. Growth stocks will come back, but not yet. Yay. Issa, the man who knows how to use the salary. I love those reminders. So this right here, okay, this is to go some opportunities here, guys. This is to go some opportunities. So just wait and let's see. The volume is there. It's just about right. So this is still got some engine, some oil in the tank. Well, let's wait. Again, this is another one. It's getting a bit tired. It's getting a bit tired, but just wait. That's all I'm going to say. Wait. Okay. Yeah, some of you will say it's going up. Yes, I expect this to go up a little bit more, but this is not where you want to be buying it, except you think you want to be making, what, 2 cents a trade? So wait, please, guys. Who else? What else do we have? Oh, Samuel is here as well, Samuel. Hi, Samuel. Hey, Adenike. Oyinike. Oyinike, what we talked about?
Hi, BK.
Hi. What we talked
What
about?
did you say?
I said the webinar yesterday, did it make sense?
The weather? Yeah, it rained a bit. I live by the seaside, so we're always having rain.
Talking about the weather now. We're talking about the webinar. Don't show off your house now.
Oh, sorry. The
Don't show
webinar
off
was
your house
really,
today.
really, no, I'm sorry. I didn't hear what you said. The webinar was really, really useful. I learned a lot and I'm applying it now. Because I used to be so emotional about trades and attached and I don't like to lose money. But your concept of getting 3 out of 10 right makes a lot of sense. So that's what I'll start applying now.
I've always been talking about that. So expect losses and yeah, expect wins. Okay, so the market is literally just stuck and nothing is happening. It's just stuck. The market is stuck. Bear with us, bear with me. I'm going to find an alternative strategy. Just give me a second. Bear with us, bear with us. Don't worry. We shall make money. Okay. Okay, right, so I'm looking at, so VRPX is still the one, and then we have SESN, and just trying to see AMC's, wow, the market's really poor today. NAOV and then AMC. I don't want to be forcing any trade, okay, guys? Upstarts, let me see if I can get, if we can chart upstarts. Coin is trying to make a move, okay? So if you buy here, you haven't bought anything, you haven't done anything bad, okay? So I would say wait. I mean, I bought coin, so I'm actually gonna wait for this, and I'm not talking about wait for days, okay? How about CleanSpark? CLSK. I'm not sure why it dropped, or maybe there was earnings and it was a failure. Let's just see. CLSK. I'm just trying to see the market, see why it was a wall like that. It's a wall for failure. So CleanSpark. CLSK. This I think is one of my favorite stock, but unfortunately, ooh, so they reported a loss, and that's a big loss. They missed by 7 cents, okay? So they missed by 642%. Right, okay, this is not an investment, guys. But is it tradable? Absolutely. Let's just see. I'm monitoring this. CleanSpark missed the earnings by 642%. That is a shame. That's a shame on a stupid company. We got to understand that they had short reports on them. Just bear with us. We just need to get the facts right and not emotional, not jumping, just being patient. Patience will reward us. So okay, guys, there's an opportunity here for a day trade, CleanSpark. So if you want to get in as low as 11, okay, so expect this to, there's an odd 3-5% here. Guys, when the market is in a range like today, this is not when, and this message is for Jess, this is not the time to pull the whale out, okay? So go and get some tilapia, and that's how you buy. Am I making sense? The market's looking bearish right now. So, Jess, can you hear me? So don't be a whale when I say, when I say it looks good, just be patient with it. Just, a little gentle. Scale in gradually. At the end of the day, you just want to make money for the day. So you scale in. So CLSK, it looks good for today. And don't try and be a whale. Scale in because they miss their earnings by 642%. So this is another opportunity. Some people will buy this dip. It's an amazing, amazing company. But I guess it's meant to be, I guess. So. And if you think you want to average down, I think this is the time to do some averaging on your CleanSpark as well. So let me. Okay, Coinbase seems to be. I'm so happy with Coinbase. Oh, below 160. Seems to want to come back. Seems to want to come back. Patience, patience. So, CleanSpark. This got nothing to do for me. I'm happy with just yeah. So going to CleanSpark again, but I have it already anyway. So this is not really a new buy for me. What else do we have? So just looking at CleanSpark here, 11 entry if you can, time it perfectly. NAOV, guys, it's still range, it's just crazy. It's testing all-time high now, NAOV. And if this happens, I expect some, yeah. So this is not all for me to be getting in now. This is not for me to be getting in. Okay, so the market is trying to pull this thing back to 2. Ultimately, NAOV is going to get back to 2. You can decide to disagree with me. I'm just telling you. So if you think you like it, you want to invest in it, well, don't say I didn't warn you. That's what I can see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's just a rave of the moment right now. Coin. I still like this as a swing. Below 260. So we'll say coin as well. This is a bigger company. So what do we have? So we do have a bearish trend, but yeah. So let me just make the note there. I like coin for a swing. Okay, bear with us. Come on. Thank you. So just bear with me. The ministry has to grow, right? Somebody's asking, is coin crypto? No. Okay, please tell her it's a stock. Okay, coin is a stock. Oh, I have to do that. So. Calm down. We just started in the market today. Let's calm down. Okay. Where else? Where are we? 6K. This year, you're looking at 11 for your entry. Okay. It's just a mini swing, guys. Not an investment at all. Nothing is investable right now, as far as I'm concerned. Here, I'm not interested in this right now. Okay, FLGC, 10% down. Wow. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? People are looking at earnings and using that to judge a business. No, no, guys, don't judge any business by the earnings. Not in this market, not in this market, okay? AMC, I really want you to step down a little bit, pipe down, and it's coming down. Just need to be patient. Yeah, you will come down. I don't like this. Patience, patience, patience. Patience, patience, patience. Oh, I don't like what I'm reading. Somebody said he was hungry in school. That's why he couldn't buy apple. So now, right, just bear with us. Clean Spark. Okay, NAOV. NAOV is still within the range, but it's just really, really promising. I'm waiting. Okay. I'm just trying to find an entry, guys. An entry is all I'm looking for. I'm struggling to get anything reasonable from this market. Where are we? Struggling, struggling, struggling. Bear with us. So Monday, SCSN, NAOV, GLBE, LMFA. These are all the ones I know before. Actually, I should have talked about ME. ME did make a bit of a move. This is post. ME, 23andMe. Again, this is a tired one. LMFA is definitely tired. KSPN. When stocks are tired, I get tired too. KSPN, this is definitely not for today. This is just wrong. Oh, I'm not going to buy this at all. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, Koba. Somebody had Koba, right? And that somebody's here. Are you out?
I still have it though, 40% down.
40%. Okay, I'm not in favor of adding to a losing trade. Okay, but what we want is safety zone before it moves. But right now, Koba is actually bearish as well. Did they have news or did they just pump it? Oh, good, good. It's trying. I mean, they're trying to get it turned around. I can tell you that. CWBR. Koba. COHBL. I can't see anything for us to trade yet. Except you want to shut the markets or we move to crypto, but I can't. So Koba, can't see anything. It's just a, oh, why is, I'm talking about Koba. And it keeps taking me back to CleanSpark. No. Sorry. Okay. Can't do crypto live. You want me to live chat crypto? Guys, you start paying for this class, so. Okay, so COBA came up. Why? Because aging-related conditions are increasing the treatment burden for older patients. So there's a news that came out, and of course, it helped move them. So that's fine for COBA. That's why it came out. So no news, nothing specific to them. Okay. I'm still looking at CleanSpark. Even though it's actually had a really good run. And NAOV, AMC, as you can see, our AMC is just within that range, So like, I can't see any opportunity, guys, and I'm trying. I don't want us to force it. And we're not going to force any trade. If there's nothing there, what do? We go home. Okay? I am trying to force, I don't want to force it, rather, I'm checking. So let's see. Let me just scan one or two of the markets. You guys don't trade commodities. Okay, Moderna. I did think it's coming to 330. Believe me, it's come back to 330. I know it says 394 now, but it will come back to 330 ultimately. Yeah, under pressure, real under pressure. So it's done well today, but expect that to happen again soon. What else? But do I see a trade in this for today? That's the thing, your risk reward is too low. How much can you make? So I'm looking at the comfort zone. This is something we probably could just ride. You could ride it up, and then you have to ride it back down. So if you could ride it up here, well, yeah, okay. And then you have to ride it back down, but this is for me. This is the point I will ride it up to. And do I see a lot of potentials there? Yes, a lot of potentials, but this is definitely going to come back down heavily. And that's about it for me, really. I can't see anything for me to trade right now, except you want to short a few stocks, which, you know, is probably going to earn you more money today. Midday, the market might wake up, but as it stands, not really. SLGG seems to be squeezing, by the way. Super League Gaming. Okay, we have some of this. This is trying to squeeze. So if you look at this long time. Yeah, SLGG, great one. But is it going to move today? With the, you know, most of this ramps are pre-markets ramped already. So are you going to move today more? Okay, it's got a bit of volume, which is good. The setup is ugly though, very ugly. So I don't know if you. Yeah, I wouldn't take this trade at all. Not today. Risky. Based on the setup. Let's see. What can we scan for? What can we scan for? GDRX, Mr. Shows. GDRX, Mr. Shola. Let's have a look. Again, NAOV is just dumps, like we said. Where did you find this? This is from Chicago Board of Exchange. Okay. Oh, do you guys see, can you see what's funny here? I'm looking at the charts, but I'm not even looking at what's being bought, what's being sold. No candles, can you see that? Isn't that interesting? Anyways, back on now. So, this in the time being looks good, just in the time being, but it hasn't got enough push. So if you're gonna get into this, you're probably gonna scalp the odd 1 or 2%, but the push is not strong enough. The push is not strong enough, guys, honestly, and I wouldn't advise you get in, but if you want to get in, that's fine, but it looks good. It looks good. There's a pullback in that uptrend, and now he wants to make another leg. He wants to go for another leg, and it's all very healthy. But what can I say? The push is not strong enough, and that's the problem. Excuse me. Other than that, the market to me looks dead today. I don't mind the market going down. Please go down. But let me see some volatility. If I don't see volatility, I just think it just looks dead to me. Okay, just got a message. Pfizer is ripping. Is it? Okay. How are you going to go 2.78%? You're telling me it's ripping. Okay, for today's trade, guys, I still wouldn't. Again, this is not good enough. This is like a GDRX that we looked at just a few minutes ago. We hasn't got the strong support to push it enough. So what can we say? Not much. Yeah, this looks like it's just gonna collapse on its own head in a minute. Yeah. But the setup looks good. I really like the setup. But other than that, I can't give him much credit. Okay, so some of these setups are there already before your money comes in, and that's it. So, guys, I'm gonna stop now. I'm just looking at charts, and I'm not seeing anything to trade. I think today's the shortest day of the market. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Today is the shortest day of the market. The market's not giving that opportunities, and again, if you have to look too hard, then it's not there. And if you have to force it, then of course you will find what you're not looking for. My Midday is my YouTube analyst. He's here. I know he wants to trade, but the market is not giving us that thing that we want. So I'm gonna say, just be patient, because your time is gonna come eventually, ultimately. But right now, because all we can do is long, isn't it? And I can't see that. So I think we should wait. All right, guys, I'm going to spend more time doing crypto today. I will send links to the group if I have anything. But other than that, I mean, you probably want to see what I'm looking at, actually. I think that's actually a good one. A trade is a trade. There's no rule. There's no rule to... there's no rule not to trade anything at any certain time. So I'm just going to find... I'm going to find something. Let's find opportunities together, right? A trade is a trade is a trade. Yeah, Pfizer is moving. That's fine. But they're all very slow, and I don't like what I'm seeing. So I'm going to give it up, and I'm going to go for what's going to feed me instead of just trying to be right. by all means. So let's see. Let's see. Just trying to, I'm just going through the coin markets cap and find opportunities. I made a few notes, by the way, early on. So. Somebody said Upstart's been doing so well. Yeah, you can tell who's new. Okay. Bear with us. Bear with us, bear with us. Okay. Lena, is Lena part of my notes? Okay, now let's look at Lena. You see AMC is now what? Dipping, as you can see. There's nothing there. So Lena. Switch to crypto. No time, guys. No time to waste time. Oh, what's this saying? Sim's freezing on me. Great, Lena. Mr. Didi, Mr. Issa, I'm your radio while you work. We know how fast things change here. So let's see. Okay. Lena's just gearing up to be okay. It's gearing up to be good. Let me actually look this way. Just make things better for me. Okay, kind of like a cup and handle pattern here. So Lena is coming out of a base. This would have been a, point here now to get in. But do I still see more here? Absolutely, I still do. So Lena seems good for me. But of course, I'll be looking again on around. When did he confirm his move? Safely. Yeah, the 0.05 would have been a better entry point for Lena. But who am I to complain? We didn't see. So does it still have potential? Of course, it still does have potential. And as you can see there, but ooh, looking deeper, yeah. It's not the greatest chart, okay? So I'm not expecting this to rip, but if news comes in, for example, it might correct all of these things and, we'll go straight to the moon. But right now, I'm still sticking with 0.05. It's a great point to join the party. Okay. There with us. Bear with us. BLZ was another one I was working on. But okay, even though here I said I was a bit late. So the thing is, does it still have potentials? I think it still does have potential. So can you still join the party? I think that's probably what I should say instead of, you know, can you still join the party? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. You can see inside bar here actually, and that just shows you a reverse reversing pattern. So yeah, it's still good. It's still good. BLZ, then BDL. So BLZ, I literally would like to get in this at point 0.24 is a good one to get in as well. Okay, BLZ. BLZ. We just need to. BLZ setup is good, guys. BLZ setup is good. Here, this is running up to 0.3, minimum 0.34. Yeah, so at least this is going to go to 0.34. And if it does look like it looks a lot like the one we looked at before a few minutes ago. Again, breaking out of that zone, and yeah, oh, come on. Yep, if you can break it out, that's it there. The moon is your destination. So BLZ is another one I might call later. And finally, let me just have a look. Another one. REQ seems to run a lot and people seem to like it. Can't see anything clear pattern here. See? BZRX. USDT. So this one here, I've been watching this from 0.39. Do I think this is a good one to get in? I think this is another really good one to get in at 0.39. Again, similar trend. Crypto is quite easy to play. So yeah, this is my call right here. And I'm happy with this one here. And I think BRZT, a little bit oversold. Hang on a minute, see if we can. Just give us a second. So this one here, I'll be looking at 0.39 actually. I should be scanning the market and doing some work. What do we have? Okay, so you can see the volume trying to push this up as well. So now all we want is another something here like this. And if it bounces here and it can bounce off, that's it. So what entry am I looking at? I'm gonna have to set a reminder. 0.38 is about okay. You know, usually a little bit aggressive. So once it gets to 0.38, boom, I'll make a sniper entry. But I'll tell the group anyway. All right, guys. That's about it for today. For me, I think I'm gonna stop the market now. We're not really we're just analyzing, but you know, made a few calls there that I think are good, and that's what I will be getting in. But other than that, the market today is a waste of your time, waste of my time. I wouldn't call it a waste because there's always something to learn. But other than that, I think call it an afternoon. All right. So that's what I'm going to do, call it an afternoon, and we'll recharge when the market gives us opportunity. But there is opportunity here to play the crypto game, and we shall play the crypto, the coins, the tokens, etc. We'll win. Okay, people, thank you, my fellow whales. Midday, Jess, Adenike, Isaganiu. See you later. How come we couldn't hear you yesterday, sir?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Yeah, midday tomorrow is another day.
Yeah,
I said, how come we
sorry for yesterday.
couldn't hear you yesterday? What happened?
Yeah, something took me off my phone, and when I came back, I didn't log into the phone. So I sent a mail. I sent a comment on the YouTube. Probably you didn't get to see it. Thank you.
I probably didn't. Apologize, sorry. Okay, but anyway, guys, we're going to recharge and we'll be back soon. But I'm watching quite a few coins. I'm looking at GRT as well. I think GRT should break $1. It's broken it a few times, but it's just cannot hold it. So, but I'll share with the group. I'm looking at fund token as well. But for me, guys, strictly based on price action, I'm not investing, I'm just trading. But I'll settle down, find something. It's a bit hard when I'm talking to you and trying to find a trade at the same time. I'm trying, but anyway, I'll see you everybody later. We don't have to trade every day. Jess, you've made a lot for the whole year. So just say thank you.
I wish.
All right, guys. Bye-bye.